Who is Anaximenes? 1. Life history of Anaximenes. Anaximenes is thought to have been born in 588 BC in the city of Miletus, the same as Thales and Anaximandros. He was a pupil of Anaximandros. Anaximenes observed natural phenomena like his teacher and produced famous teachings. He became widely known to the public in 545 BC. In the end, he is thought to have died in 528 to 526 BC. 2. Anaximenes' thought. Anaximenes criticized Anaximan's teachings by saying that it was difficult to explain Anaximan's non-physical principle of infinite resistance in relation to physical objects. Anaximenes investigated the physical objects around him. According to Anaximenes, something that is found in all things, including water, is not water, as Thales said, but it is air. The air changes. These air changes take the form of compaction and dilution. If air condenses, it successively becomes wind, water, earth and rock. Conversely, if the air experiences dilution, it becomes fire. In other words, everything is formed from a combination of changes in air. The combination of air changes described by Anaximes is clearly visible in natural phenomena such as clouds, rain, snow, which occur due to air compression. In addition, celestial bodies such as the sun, moon and stars constitute air dilution. The earth floats in the air and the sun, moon and stars also float in the air and revolve around the earth. Not only the earth and celestial bodies come from the air, but also the human soul also comes from the air. He proved this with human breathing, that every living human being breathes air. Thank you for watching. See you in the next discussion.